Welcome to Sea Daily. Unbelievable facts about dogs. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Number 1. Their sense of smell at least 40 times better than ours. They possess up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses compared to about 6 million in us. And the part of a dog's brain that is devoted to analyzing smell is about 40 times greater than ours. Dogs possess a sense of smell many times more sensitive than even the most advanced man-made instrument. Number 2. Some have such good noses they can sniff out medical problems. Dogs are most famously known for detecting cancer. They can be trained to sniff out a variety of types including skin cancer, breast cancer and bladder cancer using samples from known cancer patients and people without cancer. In a 2006 study, 5 dogs were trained to detect cancer based on breath samples. Number 3. Dogs are about as intelligent as a 2-year-old. According to several behavioral measures, Coren says dogs' mental abilities are close to a human child age 2 to 2.5 years. The intelligence of various types of dogs does differ and the dog's breed determines some of these differences. Coren says dogs can also count up to 4 or 5, said Coren. Number 4. Dogs have 80 muscles controlling their ears. There is around 18 muscles in a dog's ears. They show their emotions through their ear movements as well as move their ears to a position to better hear certain noises. If your dog's ears are upright or facing forward, he or she is engaged. If they are pulled back a bit, she or he is feeling friendly. Number 5. Dogs can sniff at the same time as breathing. Dogs have the ability to breathe in and out at the same time. When sniffing, dogs' noses are designed so that air can move in and out at the same time, creating a continuous circulation of air, unlike humans who have to either breathe in or out only, says Dr. Napier. Number 6. Along with their noses, their hearing is super sensitive. It's well documented that a dog's hearing is not only more sensitive than that of the average human, but they are also able to hear a wider range of sounds, including both high and low frequency levels. Fear of loud or unexpected noises is triggered by the orienting response, the brain's mechanism for being aware. Number 7. Some dogs are incredible swimmers. Many people mistakenly think that all dogs can naturally swim. This is not true. Though most dogs will attempt a doggy paddle if they find themselves in the water, not all dogs are good swimmers or are able to stay afloat. Number 8. Your dog would be left or right pawed. It might come as a surprise, but dogs can be right or left pawed. In the same way that humans show laterality, researchers have found that dogs do the same. Dogs' brains are organized similarly to humans, and paw preference relates to the dominant hemispheres of the brain. Number 9. Dogs don't sweat like we do. Dogs don't sweat profusely and visibly the way humans do. They definitely have sweat glands that secrete sweat in response to heat. Number 10. Some are fast and could even beat a cheetah. Well, while a cheetah can get up to almost 70 miles per hour, they can only keep this going for around 30 seconds. Greyhounds. Greyhounds, on the other hand, could easily run at speeds in excess of 35 miles per hour for 7 miles. Finally, dogs are home guard and loyal species on earth. Also, hounds follow those who feed them.